Boom! Bada! Yeah! This is it, ladies and gentlemen. Another food review. Nothing too crazy. It's cold. Ooh. See the frost coming out of my mouth? It's snowing. It's cold. It's going to take me about probably 3 hours to get home. And I haven't eaten since 6:45. So I said, you know what? Let me get something to eat. Do a food review real fast for my fans, my peeps. Let's get it started. First, I want to give a shout out to two very special gentlemen. One, Kevin Gayton, great guy, great man. Went to school with him. Love you, pal. Thanks for always being there for me and for my reviews. And another one, very handsome, very beautiful soul of a guy. His name is Justin Davies. I know his wife. I went to school with her. And he seems to be just really good guy. So these two shout outs for Justin and Kevin. I hope you enjoy the food review. This food review is for you. Okay. Nice and simple. Checkers. Can you see anything Checkers? Boom. Checkers. There you go. Let's start off with a French fry. Ooh, French fries. Oh, Jesus, it's cold. Let's put the heat up. All right. Okay, these are seasoned fries. These aren't like your regular shoestring McDonald's fries. Good fries. Better than McDonald's, I think. McDonald's are like, sometimes they're good, sometimes they're, better than Burger King. I don't know. I really like their seasoned fries. So, good for them. All right. Next step. So thirsty. Okay. We got new crispy chicken tender thingies. Let's see how that looks right there. Looks like regular. I don't know, they're gonna be extra crispy? Probably not. We'll try it first regular and then with barbecue sauce. Ah, not bad. I guess the seasoning makes everything, it's a different seasoning than your normal chicken tenders. They have like really spicy, and then they had these. And since I have a little girl mouth, I don't even know what the hell that means, a little baby mouth, that I went with the not so spicy. So barbecue sauce, chicken tenders, good. Really good. Better quality than McDonald's. I'm sorry. Alright. So, we'll put this there. Let's see, I'll see you in a little bit. And the final thing is, I think it's called the Big Buford. Ooh, cheese. Oh my God, I love cheese. Wow, there's a lot of lettuce and shit on here. Oh, damn it. Do not curse. No. For all you kids out there underage, I'm sorry. It's just that, come on, man. You put so much lettuce and stuff on my thing. All right, I can't believe I said the S word. Sorry, guys. It won't happen again. Oh my God. Why don't you just put a salad? Why don't you just freaking... Oh, I'm going to grab all that. Eee, look at all that salad. Okay. Let's get this icky tomato out of there. Tomato belongs in a sauce, not on a hamburger. Okay. Okay. Right off the bat, it's definitely a better burger than McDonald's. McDonald's burgers, patties, they're so thin, and this is looking pretty decent. No, I'm not gonna eat that piece of lettuce. Oh yeah. Wow. Better than Burger King, better than McDonald's. Easy. Wow. And it's still smoking. But that's because it's probably like 2 degrees in here. All right. So, fries. Good. Chicken good. It's a good little meal. Time for my rating. Fries. Chicken. Carry the 1. All in all, I'm going to give this a very strong, because I enjoyed it. A very strong 6.8. I'm trying to remember my past. I had to give McDonald's way lower than that. And Burger King. So let's do 6.8. Almost 6.9. But 6.8. That's my Checkers review. Again, Justin, Kevin. Love you guys, man. Keep watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed or liked my channel, do it. Because, let's go, man. Let's get this thing started. And thank you. Everyone have a safe weekend. Or have a great Christmas if I don't do a food review before Christmas, which I probably won't. So, happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas, God bless you all, and everyone take care of yourself. Thank you to my wife and kids. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.